Meaning of escape key.
Escape key.
Escape key.
Escape key.
Escape key. The escape key is a keyboard button that allows users to interrupt or cancel a current process, operation, or action. When the escape key is pressed, it can stop a computer program from executing further commands, close a pop-up window or dialog box, or return to the previous screen or menu. The escape key is often represented by the letters escape on most computer keyboards and can be found in the upper left corner of the keyboard. Its function is commonly used in various computer applications and operating systems to provide users with a quick way to back out of an action or screen.